Hi, to add screen lock on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, we will need to go in the settings first, and from here scroll till we can see this tab fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Let's go in here, and now we need to select screen lock tab, and for that we got three options: pattern, pin code or password. Let's select pattern in this video, and here you'll see this pop-up warning that you need to remember your password. Let's tap got it, and now we need to draw a pattern for unlocking device. Let's just enter this L and confirm by drawing it again. And now we need to simply tap the blue button to confirm, and we can also add fingerprint, but I'm gonna skip it in this video. And now we got screen lock, so let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone, now unlock by swiping up, and now we need to draw our pattern. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.